Hello. Welcome to Military Test. Today we're going to be taking a look at two popular folding knives, the cold steel 𝙿𝙬𝙢 and the Demco AD20.5 clip point. I have to mention from the start that both knives are clones. The cold steel 𝙿𝙬𝙢 knife comes in a cardboard box. It has a gold clip mounted on the handle and another silver clip for exchange. In the description you have a link where you can buy them at a low price. The Demco AD20.5 knife comes very well marketed. It has a solid cardboard box. Then inside it has a textile bag with rubber patch with Demco Shark Lock logo. It has a zipper with double action and the possibility of locking. It has a large pocket on the inside that has a Velcro closure. A microfiber cloth for wiping, marked with Demco. The bag has 3 more small pockets. Both of these knives have green G10 handles and are known for their durability and reliability. Andrew Demco collaborated with Cold Steel on several models. From here you can see a very great similarity between the two models. Both the Shark Lock system and the Triad Lock system are two locking systems, very safe and easy to use. As the name says, Cold Steel has a 𝙿𝙬𝙢 for opening with one hand. Very easy to handle. The locking system is Triad Lock. A very safe and easy to handle system. The Demco knife has both a bolt and a slot for opening with one hand. It is up to you which option you choose. Both have a very easy and safe operation. The locking system is Shark Lock. In my opinion, it is easier to use than 𝙿𝙬𝙢. First, let's talk about the blades. The cold steel 𝙿𝙬𝙢 has a 21.2 cm blade made from CPMS 35VN steel. This steel is known for its toughness and edge retention, making it a great choice for a hard-use knife like the 𝙿𝙬𝙢. The Demco AD20.5 clip point, on the other hand, has a 19.5 cm blade made from AUS-10 steel. However, this blade has a more traditional flat grind, which provides a sturdier edge for heavier cutting tasks. The blade shape also allows for more precise cutting and piercing. Both are two robust knives of very good quality. Both the Shark Lock system and the Triad Lock system are two locking systems, very safe and easy to use. The Demco AD20.5 has a more angular handle that is designed for a more utilitarian look and feel. The handle also features a reliable and sturdy frame lock mechanism called the Shark Lock. This locking mechanism is known for its strength and ease of use, and it provides excellent security for the blade. Conclusion: so, which knife is better? Well, it really depends on what you are looking for in a knife. The Demco AD20.5 clip point is a great choice if you want a sturdier blade shape, a more utilitarian handle design, and a reliable locking mechanism called the Shark Lock. Demco is a better choice for an everyday knife. The cold steel 𝙿𝙬𝙢, on the other hand, is a great option if you want a lightweight, heavy-duty knife with a unique blade shape and a comfortable grip. In the end, both knives are excellent choices and offer a great combination of durability, reliability and performance. It's just a matter of personal preference that you choose.